You open your notes. You read one sentence. And then, you're planning your lunch, checking a notification, wondering if you should organize your desk. Pause. But in a game, you're locked in for an hour straight. So what's the secret? It's not willpower. It's game design. The problem: blurry quests versus perfect levels. Your brain is a reward detector. It asks, is this worth my energy? A textbook chapter? That's a blurry quest. The reward is vague and weeks away. Your brain panics. It distracts you to feel safer. But a game level? It's perfectly designed. Clear goal. Instant feedback. Constant challenge. Your brain gets a hit of satisfaction every few seconds. So the hack is simple. Stop trying to focus. Start designing your work like a game level. The 3-step hack: design your level. Step 1. Name your main quest in under 5 words. Not study chemistry. That's the whole game. Your quest is defeat 10 practice problems or conquer the intro paragraph. Specific. Winnable. Now. Step 2. Install your progress bar. Your brain needs to see progress. Grab a sticky note. Make 4 boxes. Each box is 25% of your quest. Finish your first 2 practice problems. Fill a box. That visual tick is your XP. It feels good. Step 3. The respawn timer rule. You will get distracted. It's okay. No cham. When you catch yourself drifting, you don't fail. You just respawn. Set a timer for 60 seconds. Breathe. Stare. When it beeps, you drop back into your quest. No guilt. Just reset. The real enemy. Here's the truth. The biggest focus killer isn't your phone. It's the voice that says, why can't you just be normal? That shame is what your brain is actually running from. Gaming has no shame. You lose, you respawn. Bring that mercy to your work tonight. So tonight, don't just do work. 1. Name your tiny, 20-minute main quest. 2. Make your progress bar on a scrap of paper. 3. Use the respawn timer when you drift. You already have the focus of a pro gamer. You just need to port those skills over. Try this one quest tonight. See what happens. Drop a comment and let me know your main quest is. Let's level up together. Smash that like button if this helped. And subscribe for more hacks. See you in the next one.